Buckingham.
Ensuring compliance with OSHA is always important, but when new changes come out like those released mid-2014, it's especially vital to make sure you're interpreting them correctly and that you've got the right equipment. That's where Buckingham comes in. Effective July 10, 2014, it's an OSHA requirement that most employees working in a bucket comply with a new standard of fall protection. OSHA requires employees working in aerial lifts to use either fall arrest or fall restraint systems. If a fall arrest system is used, it must not allow a worker to free fall more than 6 feet or contact any lower level. Due to the nature of bucket truck work and having to be in close proximity to a structure, linemen can easily find themselves in violation of OSHA by being able to contact a lower level if a fall occurs. This can be avoided by using a restraint system instead. OSHA requires that restraint systems keep a worker from falling any distance whatsoever, so we went to the drawing board and developed the Buckingham Bucket Restraint System. This keeps the user secure in the bucket while still allowing the freedom to move around and work. This is especially useful for trouble men working alone in remote locations. If the bucket tips or dumps over, the 5,000-pound rated bucket system will keep the worker safely in the bucket. If the bucket and boom separate, the energy absorption device connected between the bucket restraint strap and the anchor point on the boom will keep the bucket and worker from hitting the ground. At Buckingham Manufacturing, we know finding the right equipment to comply with OSHA can be challenging. If you have any further questions regarding OSHA compliance and Buckingham products, give us a call at 607-773-2400 or visit our website, buckinghammfg.com.